What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Meek. Now today, as you've seen in the thumbnail, we're going to be working on some Jordan 4 Royalties. Now they're not that bad, but my only issue with them is the suede is a little ashy. I cleaned these shoes, let's say about 2 years ago. I haven't really worn them since. They've just been sitting up in the sneaker boxes, but the suede, man, it's ashy. But we're going to take care of that today, and I'm going to show you how. So the first thing we're going to start on with the shoe is we're just going to knock off on any loose dirt that we have sitting on top of the shoe. Alright, so we went ahead and got the dust knocked off the shoe. Now what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of mink oil on this. That way we can start to bring back that color and that suede and that natural softness that it has on it. Now that we got the mink oil sprayed onto the suede, we're just going to rub it in with a soft bristle brush. Now that we got the mink oil worked into the suede, all I'm going to do is kind of just rub it into the sole of the shoe. Now trust me, this is not going to hurt the shoe. If anything, it's just going to protect it from when you're stepping in water or whatever. It's just going to kind of reflect on it. But let's do that now. And there you go. That's just a quick and easy way to keep your suede looking bright, fresh, and rejuvenated. Let's take a look to see what the final product looks like. Hey guys, thanks for watching me rejuvenate for Suede on these Jordan 4 royalties. Now if you'd like to see more content like this, please smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you follow me at Discovering Meek on Instagram. Alright, peace.